Exposing the secret sauce behind smooth gear shifts. Meet the clutch. A clutch connects and disconnects your engine from the wheels, letting you shift gears, start and stop smoothly. Let's break down its main parts. The clutch pedal. You press it to operate the clutch disc. It presses against the flywheel. The flywheel spins with the engine's power. And the pressure plate. It presses the clutch disc against the flywheel. When you press the clutch pedal, the pressure plate releases the disc from the flywheel, disengaging the engine from the transmission. This lets you shift gears smoothly, release the pedal, and the pressure plate re-engages the disc with the flywheel. The clutch ensures smooth gear changes and prevents jerky movements. To use it smoothly, press it fully when shifting, and release gently as you accelerate. Watch out for signs of wear like slipping or hard shifting. Avoid resting your foot on the pedal to keep it in good shape. Now you're clutch savvy. Like, subscribe,